Part 284C3M1B7C8E13C9C6D3P38D19D7b9u. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8E13c9c6D3P38D19D7b9u. Split xi omega baryons Alice ALICE in capital letters. It's the name of a program, or it's the name of something. 5G Wow Seti. It's not someone's name, it's an actual name of a testing site for stuff like this. So there's the alien radio signal there. This is about splitting quarks, xi omega baryons, mesons, Alice ALICE in capital letters for long distance signals from the WOW communications formulas. So today's April 21st. So this is how to split a fermion, video number 16. It's actually video number 17. There's the line of data it came from, quantum lattice split baryon. And we're doing a lattice quantum chromodynamics technique. And that was based on splitting quarks, split fermions to bilinear form and fermi line. So my formula idea was to separate two quarks, isolate the quarks. What is a quark's particles chemistry composed of? It is composed of a baryon and a meson. Separate a baryon and a meson. Do this and you will separate the quarks. So I'm going to Google the keyword idea, separate a baryon. Quote PDF results from a blog. Multi-strange baryon production in PP collisions at S, and then there's a calculation there, 7 equals 7 TV with Alice. The Alice collaborations. April 2012, so it's like a year ago. A measurement of actually it came out in May. A measurement of multi-strange xi and omega baryons. I like how they say multi-strange, because then it's like, oh cool, is it alien or no? No, just saying that. Xi and omega baryons and their antiparticles by the Alice experiment at the CERN Large Hadron Collider LHC is presented for inelastic proton-proton collisions at center of mass energy of 7 TeV. The transfer momentum, PT distributions, were studied at mid-rapidity, and there's some more symbols and numbers there, in the range of 0.6, and there's all that stuff there. Xi and Xi plus baryons, and in the range of more symbols and stuff for omega and omega plus. Baryons and antibaryons were measured as separate particles, and we find that the baryon to antibaryon ratio of both particle species is consistent with unity over the entire range of the measurement. The statistical precision of the current LHC data has allowed us to measure a difference between the mean PT of Xi, Xi plus, and omega, omega plus. Particle years mean PT and the spectra in the intermediate PT range are not well described by the PYTHIA, that's in capital letters, Peruga 2011 tuned Monte Carlo event generator, which has been tuned to reproduce the early LHC data. The discrepancy is largest for omega, omega plus. This PYTHIA in capital letters tune approaches the PT spectra of Xi and Xi plus baryons below those symbols and describes Xi and Xi plus spectra above those symbols. We also illustrate the difference between the experimental data and model. My watch is telling me it's lunchtime. We also illustrate the difference between the experimental data and model by comparing the correspondence ratios of omega minus plus omega plus, Xi minus plus Xi plus, as a function of transverse mass. Nuclear experiment. Boy, that thing takes forever. Okay, I get the message. Stop beeping. June 2012. So arxiv.org still doesn't listen. This is the keywords baryons. It listened. Baryons. I'm just joking around. Baryons are fermions, while the mesons are bosons. From the link hyperphysics.phy-astr.gsu.edu. Next will be how to split a fermion, video 17. We're coming to the end of this, finally, and there's going to be some new stuff coming up. And it's actually video number 18. Okay, thanks for watching.